On 21st June, on which latitude do the sun rays fall straight? Now, sun rays fall straight, okay, on a particular date, that is on 21st June, on latitudes. Okay, what is longitude and latitudes? I will explain you in the next session, okay, in next exam, okay, for next exam. But till for now, you have to remember that on 21st June, that is on Tropic of Cancer, where on Tropic of Cancer, the sun rays fall straight, directly on the Tropic of Cancer. Now, Tropic of Cancer is a particular area on which it will fall, okay. Now, next, on 22nd December, which latitude do the sun rays fall straight? Now, on 22nd December, it will fall straight on Tropic of Capricorn. Where? Tropic of Capricorn. So, on 21st June, it will fall directly on Tropic of Cancer, while on 22nd December, it will fall directly on the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, these are the latitudes. Okay, now next, the sun is seen at even 12 midnight in dash country. Now, 12 midnight, you might be thinking that at 12 midnight, why the sun can, how it is possible that the sun can be seen? Now, Norway is a place where in that particular place, there is 6 months days and 6 months night. Now, why? Because our our earth is not, we can say, straight, it's slightly tilted. So, some portion of our earth is facing 6 months day and 6 months night. So, you can see sun at 12 midnight. In which place? In Norway. In which place? In Norway. Okay. Now, the path along with the earth moves around the sun is called dash of earth. Now, if you have seen the picture of solar system, you might have seen some imaginary lines. Okay, imaginary lines like this. 1, 2. These are what? These lines are what? These lines are imaginary lines, and that lines are known as what? Orbit. Okay, our planets moves on this imaginary lines. That is what? Orbit. What? Orbit. Okay. Now next, whose help is required to take decision and to do the works for the people, for every nation? Now, every nation, every country is required, for every nation, for the rules and regulation, for making laws, government is required. Of course, yes. So, for taking certain decisions also, government is necessary. So, for taking certain decisions, whose help is required? The government. Okay, the government. Now, next, who resolves the economic and social problem? Now, in our country, in many countries, in other countries also, in many countries, there are economic and social problems. Now, economic problems means unemployment, poverty, literacy rate is low. Okay, so this all are economic problem. Okay, and so social problem means education, health. This all comes in social problem. Now, who used to resolve it? We people, we citizens used to resolve it? No, we are not supposed to resolve it. Who used to resolve it? It is in the hand of government. Government used to resolve it. Okay, government used to resolve it. Now, which body of the government functions to frame laws? Which body frames laws? Now, I told you about the organs of government. Okay, 3 types of organs. One is legislative body, one is executive body, and one is judiciary. Okay, what? Legislative body, executive body, and judiciary. Legislative body, executive body, and judiciary. Legislative body used to frame laws. The frame laws means laws बनाना, right? When executive body executes the law and implement it, कि ये कैसे काम करेगा, how we have to work on it. That who used to do, executive body. Now judiciary used to impart justice. Okay, justice in the sense, if any crime or if any such things occurs, who used to impart justice? Judiciary used to impart justice. In judiciaries there are different courts. Okay, now, so which body of the government frame laws? I just now told you, legislative assembly or legislative body used to frame laws. Okay.